As virtual reality technology keeps advancing, the Computer Perception and Virtual Reality Lab wanted to upgrade their Unity VR package by adding networking capabilities. This is where this bachelor project, together in Aventicum-VR, comes in. Imagine this. School children can explore the ancient Roman ruins of Aventicum, like the Cigognier, with their friends in a virtual world before visiting the real site. To make this immersive experience truly interactive, we need to ensure the virtual world aligns perfectly with the physical one. This way, players can interact with each other naturally, even teleporting together to stay synchronized throughout their adventure. But the possibilities extend far beyond education. Architects can use this technology to showcase their ongoing projects to clients in a collaborative VR environment over internet. Imagine walking through a future building before it's even constructed. Here's a list of what this project offers: grouped teleportation, calibration, lobby system, avatars, and scene management. With these features and more, together in Aventicum VR paves the way for a more collaborative and interactive virtual future.